Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're building a super smooth H5P drag and drop activity for Moodle.
Here's our workflow: settings, Dropzones, Draggables, logic, and a quick wrap-up. Let's jump in.
We're using a fun botanical case study. Learners need to identify the Fragaria genus on a strawberry.
Step 1. Settings. First up, jump into the Settings tab and upload your background image. The size you choose sets the aspect ratio, which lets it scale perfectly across your learner's devices.
Oh, and definitely enable that retry option so learners get a few attempts to nail it.
Step 2 is Drop Zones. Over in the Task tab, drop a zone right on top of the strawberry.
Label it Fragaria and set the opacity to 50. This keeps the fruit underneath totally visible.
Step 3. Draggables. Now grab that text tool to create 3 movable labels. Make your correct answer Fragaria and toss in 2 distractors, Vaccinium and Rubus.
Now for handling distractors, you really want to use a pro setup instead of the beginner route.
Why? Well, depending on your Moodle version, limiting drop zones might accidentally give away visual hints early.
So make all drop zones possible targets. It really makes your students stop and think.
Step 4. Logic. Just double-click the drop zone and pick Fragaria as the correct match. Drop that opacity to 0, the interface vanishes, letting learners interact directly with the image itself.
Quick note on scoring. Incorrect matches generally reduce scores, which is great for preventing random guessing.
Their total score won't ever drop below 0, but this setup really encourages thoughtful placement.
Finally, step 5, finishing up. We just need to give our learners some clear instructions.
Just add standard text at the top with your question without linking it to a drop zone.
Let's wrap with a quick best practice for smooth saving when you finish up.
To avoid minor Moodle snags, just add 1 drop zone and Draggable before your very first save.
You've officially mastered this tool. So, what interactive explainer are you going to build next?